Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no shoes in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alrighty, USDCAD today analysis. So let's start the top-down approach with the weekly time frame. In the weekly, we are above the EMA, and this is your what a candle we have in weekly. So close your eyes, take longs. Nobody can stop you from making profits. Okay, this is freaking free money, and I shouldn't be doing this. This is fucking free money. Okay, you see this weekly time frame, the higher time frame this week, which has just ended on Friday. In weekly, we have this rejection candle and buyers to control. Okay, in weekly time frames. So close your eyes, enter buy, because next week for USD CAD is gonna be boom boom. Okay. Coming back to daily time frame, in daily, again, this is your entry. This is your rejection hammer, bullish hammer. That's your long entry. That's you go. Either this candle or this candle, whatever. Okay, this is your long entry. If you entered on this first candle, then you are already in profits. Otherwise, just take your, just do it. Okay, it's long. That's it. Now, if you want precise entry, then come back to 4 hour. If you want sniper entry, then the pullback will happen until the EMS. So don't panic. Okay, don't panic. This previous blue candle this high. Okay, let me put the line right here. This is broken. This BOS is broken by this candle. This confirms that now we are going in the uptrend. This is an uptrend. Okay, pullback will happen maybe until the EMA, maybe slightly, maybe more. I don't know, but pullback will happen, and then engulfing blue candle, and that's where you make your entry. But if you don't care about 4 hour, then in daily chart, this is your entry anyway, which I have shown you. This is your entry in daily chart. Okay, so don't wait. If you can manage your drawdown, if you are a daily trader, make your entry. What are you waiting for? Okay, subscribe, like, share, join free Telegram, join the brokers, get the software if you want. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.